Today's video is about visiting Sankeien Garden and about the most popular souvenir there. I'm going to show you how to wrap that souvenir, so stay tuned until the end. Sankeien Garden is a traditional Japanese garden containing many historical architecture and amazing landscapes full of seasonal trees and flowers. The moment you step in, you'll be transported to another time and space. This garden was created by Sankeihara, a successful silk trader and well-known tea master during the Meiji and Taisho era. The location served as a cultural gathering place for the Japanese artists and where the modern art, literature, and tea ceremony were developed. There are several oshokuji dokoro, a retro-style eatery serving many Japanese-style dishes, light snacks, and sweet. I tried kuromitsu odango, mochi on a stick with sugar syrup. It was delicious. You can get fish food at 100 yen and feed the koi fish in the special pond. The garden was designed to showcase the beautiful scenery that changes from season to season. When I visited, it was the season for hydrangeas. The garden was filled with gradation of pink, purple, and blue. This is one of the historical buildings, Yanohara House. It brings the life of the traditional Japanese farmers closer to the visitors. At the museum shop, I found the traditional sweet called rakugan, the most popular souvenir at Sankeien Garden. I bought it as a souvenir, and I wanted to share with you my idea of wrapping this box of sweet. Since the hydrangea was blooming throughout the garden and left a strong impression on me, I will create a hydrangea-themed gift wrapping. Start by wrapping the box in your preferred style. I partially wrapped mine, allowing the side of the box to show. Since it's green, I'm using it to represent the color of the leaves. I'm also using non-woven paper since I like its delicate look. Its texture is soft and fabric-like, yet very strong. You can use tissue paper instead of non-woven paper. Cut the 8 sheets of paper to the size of the hydrangea you want to make. Hold them together and make accordion folds. Tie the center with washi tape or a bit of string. Separate the layers one by one to fluff them up. Cut another strip of the non-woven paper or use some ribbon or strings to attach the pom-pom onto the box. Now let's make the hydrangea flower. Choose a paper in the same color as your flower and cut it into small square pieces. Fold it twice into a smaller square. Then cut it into a petal shape without cutting the folded end. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the squares. Once you finish cutting, attach them onto the surface of the pom-pom using liquid glue or any available adhesives. Done! This is a super easy way to make a hydrangea paper flower ornament for your gift wrapping or event and party decorations. If you have a chance to come to Japan, I recommend visiting Sankeien Garden to enjoy the world of Zen. And if you like, buy a ragu gun as a souvenir so you have an opportunity to enjoy gift wrapping. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and comment with your thoughts. See you in the next video.